In this video, I'll show you how to open a Facebook account so you can start connecting with friends and sharing content. First, install and open the Facebook app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap the Create New Account button on the main screen. Facebook will guide you through a few simple steps to set up your account. Start by entering your first name and last name, then tap Next to continue. After that, select your date of birth and tap Next again. Now choose your gender and continue to the next step. Facebook will then ask for your mobile number or email address. Enter the one you want to use for your account and tap Next. After that, create a strong password that you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. Once you enter your password, tap Sign Up. Facebook may send you a verification code to your phone number or email address. Enter the code to confirm your account. After verification, your Facebook account will be created and you can start setting up your profile by adding a profile picture, finding friends, and exploring features inside the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.